Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal blog number 112. Not all of our wax removals have crazy stories. They aren't all outer ear infections or candling incidents. Sometimes it's just a patient who comes in that's having pressure and fullness in their ears and wants to see if they're full of wax. This is one of those cases. You can see the earwax is quite chunky. As we dug down there, we moved the wax and we're suddenly able to see the eardrum. So we're going to continue to clean this ear canal, scraping this dead skin and earwax off the sides of the ear canal walls. This patient also has a lot of hair down in the ear canal that's causing this wax to stick together, almost like a bird's nest. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated to put out this entertainment content. Also, I've had a couple of questions in the comment sections about doing collaborations with other YouTubers who do wax removals. I am absolutely interested. In fact, drop a comment in the section below and let me know who you'd like me to reach out to see if we could get a collaboration. Okay, now as we get back to this patient's ear, we're going to get everything off this ear canal wall and hopefully get a good clear view of the ear. Looks great, looks healthy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.